Are you living in one of the European Union countries and trying to find the Thread app in the App Store or Play Store but simply cannot find it? Well, this is because the Thread app is being postponed due to regulatory uncertainties of how personal data will be used. And that's why you cannot find it, guys. However, I have a solution for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get Instagram new Threads app for free so that you can start using it right now if you're living in one of the European countries. And if this kind of information is something that you'll find valuable, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and let us know in the comments below to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. Now, let me show you how this is done. Just like any other apps, if you are not able to find it in the App Store, then the best way to get it is to actually find the APK for that specific application. And that's what we're going to do for the Instagram new Threads app. Now, as you can see on the lower left hand side, I have the APK already downloaded, but this is the website that you need to visit, threads.en.uptodown.com/android/download. And if you scroll down on the page, you can see a download button here where you can download the APK for free. And all you have to do is just go ahead, click download here, and the APK will download for you. As you can see, I'm downloading it again for the second time. Now, here's the APK application that I've downloaded, and here is the access to my Android device. I'm going to copy this APK to the download section of my Android phone, and that's where I will be able to find it so that I can install it. Now, as you can see, the APK is copied to my device, and this is what we're going to install. Now, let me jump to my mobile so that you can see step by step how I install the application. Now, you can currently see that I'm on my Android device right here, right? And to find where at the APK file, I need to find files and I need to find downloads. Let me open the download folder, and here you can see the Android APK file. All I do is just click on it, install, and you see that it's installing the Threads app. It may take a little while, but it will definitely install the application for you. Now, as you can see, it's finished. We will go ahead and open the application here, and as you can see, it's launching Instagram Threads app here. And here it is, guys. Now you see that it's showing my Instagram username. All you have to do, you can switch account or you can continue with the current account that you have. I will go ahead and I will continue with my account. And here it is, guys. Yeah, this is the Instagram new Threads app working fine. Now you can go ahead and you can, this is the home page, this is the search, so that you can find a few people, you can follow them. Let's go ahead and follow Jay Shetty. And yeah, you can create your own post if you like as well. And here on the heart, you can see people who have followed you. You can go ahead and you can follow them as well if you so desire. Then under the home, this is where you have your information. You can go ahead and you can, change your picture if you need to. You can edit your profile. You can add information in your bio. You can add a link if you so desire. And as you realize as well, you can also private your profile if you like to. You can also share your profile with friends and family so that they can join the new Threads. Now, guys, if you found some value in this video, which I hope you do because you've learned how to install the new Instagram Threads app, then I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.